Welcome, welcome, welcome po sa lahat. Okay, while putting, wait, give me 1 minute, 1 minute. Kuha muna ako ng coffee. All right, all set. Make sure na-prepare nyo yung coffee, na-prepare nyo yung water, kasi tuloy-tuloy lang ito. I would like to ask permission that this webinar is actually recorded but hindi ko ibibigay. Just for my personal use only. Kasi ito po is isang sikreto ko sa strategy ko, personal strategy ko, na i-reveal ko sa community for the first time. Okay, so welcome po lahat from Canada, Rudy from Canada, Emard from Riyadh, Jeff from KSA, Edwin from Tagum, Glory from CDO, Qatar, Canada, good afternoon, UAE, Japan, KSA, Sydney, Australia, wow. Wow. Guys, if you're excited for tonight's webinar, can you drop number 5? Drop number 5 if you're excited. All right. Grabe, dami natin tonight. We are 162 in participants. 162. Wait, na-picture nga. Pwede bang ma-picture ang team yung mga kasamahan ko na coaches? Baka I'll ask na baka ma-picturean nyo itong number na participants sa screen niyo. Kasi para tuloy-tuloy na ako at hindi na ako ma-disturbo. Thank you so much. I know someone will took the picture. All right. Start na po tayo kasi kanina pa ako excited. All right. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Wait. Okay. All right. Let's do it. Welcome po. For the first time, i-reveal ko kung ano yung sikreto ko at strategy ko sa community at paano nagkaroon ng consistent yung profitable yung trading ko. And not only consistent, guys, is napakagaan na lang. Dati almost whole of the afternoon, sometimes whole of the night nagti-trade. Ngayon, napakagaan na lang talaga. Maximum of 20 minutes. 10 minutes technically, okay na, tama na. Pero of course, kailangan mo pang ma-master. Kailangan mong alamin. Okay. So, bago mo makuha yung ano na yan. Okay, let's start. Secret reveal for the first time, exclusive in VIP access. Okay. So, become an iconic trader while trading meets an iconic lifestyle. Guys, ang goal natin sa trading, guys, is not like it's not a one-shot deal or it's not a one-time transaction. Ang goal natin sa trading, guys, is long-term hanggang magiging lifestyle mo. Okay, magiging lifestyle mo. So the good thing, kung magiging lifestyle mo na siya, is ibig sabihin is kung kailan ka gustong kumuha ng pera, kung kailan mo gustong may pangailangan, pwede makapag-withdraw ka. Kung alam mo na kung anong, paano mo gawin. Yun yung maganda na magiging lifestyle mo na. And to be a lifestyle trader, that means this is a long-term goal na hindi lang siya 1 week, 2 weeks. This is a long-term goal. Ako, ang personal ko na goal ko sa sarili ko since bumalik ko sa pagti-trading, gusto kong i-focus siya for 1 year. Gusto kong i-focus siya for 1 year na kahit part-time lang. Eventually, naging part-time ko for let's say like 3 months, but eventually since nag-paid off siya, ibig sabihin maganda yung resulta sa akin. So, nagiging full-time ko na. Nag-focus na ako sa pag-trade at sa pag-build sa community para makatulong na rin yung iba kung paano din sila makapag-start ng trading. Kasi naniniwala ako dito na ang Pilipino ay matatalino. Sino naniniwala na ang Pilipino ay matatalino? Can you type P? If ikaw yun? Can you type P if ikaw yun? ang Pilipino ay matatalino. Di ba? Sinasabi nila na, ay, matatalino naman yung mga Pilipino, wala lang opportunity. Hindi na ngayon, guys. May forex na, no? This is a 7 trillion industry per trade every day. So, kayang-kaya ito kasi matatalino yung mga Pilipino. Okay. Matyaga ba yung mga Pilipino? Hindi lahat. Kaya hindi pwede maging successful. Kailangan itong tiyaga. Okay. Pasensyoso ba yung mga Pilipino? Hindi lahat. Magagaling ba yung mga Pilipino? Yes, magagaling. Tama ba yung mindset ng mga Pilipino? Hindi lahat. Pero, ang good news is, since this is a skill, ibig sabihin, kaya siyang aralin. Okay? Kaya siyang aralin. Kaya ngayon pa lang, what I want you to put in your mind na kaya mo tong aralin. Kasi kung ngayon pa lang, hindi mo to kayang aralin, pwede ka nang mag-leave sa Zoom. Kasi, sa mind mo pa lang, ang battle, guys, is hindi dun sa actual. The first battle should be won in your mind. Kapag ka naisip mo sa mind mo na kaya mo to, then you are right. Pagka naisip mo sa mind mo na hindi mo kaya, and you are still right. Are you with me? Sino nagsabi na kaya ko to? No? Kaya. Can you type kayang-kaya? Or yakang-yaka? Alright? So, kayang ko to. Alright, guys. Kayang-kaya. Yan. That's the attitude. Kayang-kaya. Wait. May nagsabi no audio. No audio. Guys, okay ba yung audio ko? No audio for a short while. Okay. Let me know if my audio is clear. Yes, okay naman. Okay naman. Yes, audio. Okay naman, audio. All right. Okay, clear. Loud and clear. All right. Let's do it. Let's go. Woo! So, bakit po ito kailangan nating aralin? O bakit natin siyang kailangan aralin talaga? Why Forex? Most of you alam na yung Forex. Pero ito yung apat na pinaka-importanting bagay. For me personally, bakit ko to inaral? Okay, why Forex? Okay. Because it's one thing that you know how to do it. And it's another thing when you know why you do it. Because it's the thing why you do it. Yun yung dahilan na pwede kang mag-survive sa mga challenging. Mayroon ba mga challenges dito? Yes. Is this, ang mga, sa business ba may mga challenges? Yes. May mga pagkakataon ba na di-discourage ka? Yes. May mga panahon ba na nawawalan ka ng pera? Yes. And that's right. Tama yan. Kaya alam mo kung ano yung why mo. Because sa mga panahon na nadi-discourage ka, nada-down ka, yung why mo, yun yung reason na magbibigay sa'yo ng push para makapagpatuloy ka. And remember, we only fail if we stop. Okay, there's no such thing as failure. Failure is just an event and then learn and move on. We only fail if you stop. If you don't stop, you just learn and move forward. Okay, ganun na. Just like me, my personal story, you know, most of you know, I started Forex trading since 2017. I stopped in 2021. At least I continue. So, at least somehow I got an initial success. Okay, earning. Ayaw na lang kay, wag na lang kay, baka may taga-BIR. Anyway, why? Because you can work anywhere, anytime. Ito yung pinakagusto ko. I can work anything, anywhere, anytime. Last weekend, actually, including Monday and Tuesday, I was a vacation in Samal Island, and doon sa hotel and doon sa lobby sa restaurant nagtatrabaho ako, and then I love my workstation. Imaginein mo, naka-sleeveless ka lang with a very fresh air, with a white sand, then nasa restaurant ka, and then you can order anything. And then nagtatrabaho ka while you doing Forex, may iba na ginagawa sa laptop mo lang. I like that kind of lifestyle. So anywhere, anytime, pwede mo magawa. Sino dito gusto itong work anywhere, anytime? Okay. As long as may cellphone ka, then you're good to go. Next is, this is the access to global wealth. Dati parang, ay, the scarcity mindset and the poverty mindset of the world, it says that wealth is limited. Come on, guys. 7 trillions of dollars are being traded every day. Mayroon kang access niyan. Imagine, can you type 7 trillion? 7 trillion. I want you to understand kung gaano kalaki yung pwede mo ma-access. 7 trillion of dollars are being traded every day. Kukunin mo ba lahat yan? Hindi. Portion of it. 70 USD, 700 USD. Wow, that's good enough for one day. Diba? So, hindi mo kailangan, ang tawag dyan, kukurot lang tayo ng konti, kukuha lang tayo ng konti. Ganun yung access mo. Saan ba natin kukunin yung pera? Meron kang access. In your cellphone, meron kang access. Meron kang access sa 7 trillions of dollars. Every day, meron kang access. Wow, can you just imagine that? Can you just imagine? Oh, sabi ni Reggie, 0.00000. Palang value ito sa meme coin mo, bro. Ah. Kumusta meme coin natin dyan? Hindi pa ba na-rug pull? Kaway-kaway yung mga mahilig sa mga crypto, mga crypto na mga coins. Alright? So, meron kang access. You're not saying that walang pera. No, may pera in the world. Imagine, buhay pa, nasa bahay ka. Nasa bahay ka lang. Meron kang access as long as may internet ka. Ito yung nagustuhan ko. Darating yung time, marunong ka na. Kukuha ka lang 700 USD in one day. Not bad. Or even, actually guys, yung iba is nagtitrade sila is lifestyle traders talaga is nag-aaral pa rin sila everyday. Nagtitingin ng chart everyday. Kung nagtitrade yan, 2 to 3 times a week na lang. 2 to 3 times a week na lang nagtitrade yan. So yun na lang lifestyle trader. Pero sureable yun. Mas mataas yung pag-aaral nila sa chart kumpara sa pag-trade. Sa mga baguhan, it's okay kasi mas mataas yung trade, mas maliit lang yung pag-aaral. So, yun yung ano. Anyway, the good thing about this one is scalable earning. Anong ibig sabihin ng scalable earning? Guys, is it okay if I'll do some real talk here? Is it okay? Do I have your permission to do real talk? Some of the words are hard to swallow or hard pill to swallow. But this is the world of business, guys. In the world of business, you need to deal hard reality. Okay. So I hope that I have your permission, guys. This business is scalable. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Okay. My resort business, if I scale that for another, so kailangan kong mag-another capital na mga 5 million. So I can build another like that. Okay? That's how you scale. Okay? If you have a restaurant and your restaurant is working good and you want to scale it, you need to find another place to scale it. Not unless you have still space. Even if you have still space, you need to renovate. So you need money to scale. Anong ibig sabihin ng scale, guys? Palalakihin mo yung business mo. Okay, yung tindahan mo, palalakihin mo. Meron kang taxi, you want to scale it, rent a car, you want to scale it, you need to buy more cars. So scaling the business needs money. Okay. But here is scaling your business in Forex needs skills. Okay. Bakit 100 USD lang yung recommendation ko sa iyo when you started? By the way po, sa mga baguhan, which I understand most obly, huwag kayo mag-alala, hindi pa kayo nag-iisa. Baguhan po lahat dito. Ako rin po ay naging baguhan din po. Don't worry, just feel free. So after you learn, magkano yung recommended ko? 100 USD. Okay. Bakit 100 USD? Guys, kasi magkakaroon ka pa ng trial and error. Trial and error mo. Okay. Kaya kung, I know maraming iba, marami yung kapital. Lagay mo ng 1,000. Lagay mo ng, last week may nagsabi sa akin, bro, pwede bang lagyan ko ng 2,500? Sabi ko, bro, is that peso, dollar? Sabi niya, dollar. Sabi ko, bro, can you do me a favor? Before ka maglagay ng 2,500, mag-enroll ka muna at aralin mo muna. Bakit? Sayang lang yung capital mo kung hindi mo alam kung ano yung ginagawa mo. It's like you are a new driver. New driver, sino dito naka-experience na being a new driver? bagong driver ka pa lang at nagpapatakbo ka ng 80 kilometer, 100 kilometer per hour, that's very dangerous. Okay? So that's scale. So how you scale, this is scalable, but how you scale this one is based on your skills. Kasi yung 100 mo, pag marunong ka na, madali mo lang yung scale. Of course, please don't get me wrong. You can't earn 1 million with your, or 100,000 with your 100 USD capital. Don't get fooled by YouTubers that saying that my 1 peso or my $1 became 100. Is it possible? Yes. But the probability is very low. Kasi not all the time mananalo ka. Yun nga, sa Forex walang 100%. Yung 100 mo guys is that's for the reason na ma-master mo yung skills. Now, kung ma-master mo na yung skills mo, alam mo na kung paano i-scale. You can do 200, 500, alam mo na kung paano palaguin yung pera mo. Alam mo na kung anong gagawin mo. Are you with me? Scalable. Ano pa yung magandang capital? Para sasabihin ko sa inyo na medyo magiging maganda na yung lifestyle ko sa forex trading kasi most of the people are asking, ay ganito yung kalaki yung kita niya, magkano yung capital? That's a good question. Nonetheless, I would say, again, it's a real talk, that's a bad question. Bakit? Your first question should be, paano niya ginagawa? Paano niya ginagawa? How we do it? Kasi, even if mayroon kang 100,000, let's just say we're using USD here. Even if mayroon kang 1,000 USD or 2,000 USD, nilagay mo sa VT markets. Now, ang question is, how will you grow that one? Alam mo ba kung paano ipanalo? Kasi at the end of the day, kung hindi mo alam, nagsusugal ka lang. That means that your future is not certain. Are you with me? So to make it scalable, kung ang question doon is, just to answer the question, magkano bang capital dyan? The good question is, ano kayang ginagawa niya? Kasi, ang principle natin dito, if you can earn $1, you can earn $10. If you can earn $10, you can earn $100. If you can earn $100, you can earn $1,000. If you earn $1,000, you can earn $10,000. Same trade. Same principle. Ano yung difference? Bakit siya scalable? Kung alam mo na, increase mo lang yung lot size mo at increase mo lang yung leverage mo. That's it. Remove your emotion. I am making sense here, by the way. I think we're another part. I would like to 200 participants na tayo. Pwede pa picture. Mayroon ba akong coach dito na kasama sa core group ko na picturean itong 200 participants and paki-close na rin ng close na rin natin itong kasi hindi rin maintindihan. Okay, nakapasok pa isa. 202. Pwede nating i-close, i-lock natin yung wait. Ako na lang. I-lock natin tong room. I-lock natin. Ay, hindi lang. Can I ask, nandito ba si Coach MJ? Coach MJ, pwede pa favor. Can you do that? Can you lock the room for me, please?
Yes, Coach.
Thank
May concern lang tayo, Coach, pag nawala sila sa Zoom, hindi na sila makakapasok pag nakalock na.
Okay. Kung kayo mawala,
waiting room ko na lang. Waiting room ko na lang, Coach.
Sige. Lock na lang natin. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Coach MJ. God bless you. I appreciate that one. So, scalable. So, pero guys, ito. Magkano ba yung capital na kailangan mo? Siyempre, just like any other business. Mas malaki yung mag-capital mo, mas malaki yung kikitain mo. Kasi ang goal mo dito, kung malaki yung capital mo, konti lang yung i-risk mo. Okay? 1% nga lang. So the goal is to have a good skills at malaking capital in the future. Wait. Bigyan ko tong chance i-admit tong dalawa. Okay? Then
sige na, Coach. Ako na bahala dyan, Coach.
No thank you. Thank you, Coach. Thank you. So, yun nga. Pero kung magtatanong ko sa akin, magkano ba magang capital? Una-una magkapital ka sa Magkapital ka sa anong tawag nito? Magkapital ka sa skills mo. Doon ka magkapital. Kasi madali lang kumuha ng pera dito kung alam mo na. Pero technically, just like any other business, ideally bigyan kita ng 1,000 USD is a very good capital. 2,000 USD. Kung alam mo na. Kung mayroon ka ng consistent and profitable. Hopefully, makuha mo ito yung ibibigay ko sa inyo. So another thing is achieve financial goal faster. Bakit this is very important? Siyempre, guys, kung kikita ka ng 500,000 in 10 years at kikita ka ng 500,000 in 1 year, pareho lang, di ba? Pareho lang. Tama? Pero anong natitipid mo? Ang natitipid mo is yung time. Yung time na natitipid mo, that could be a very valuable time na pwede mong i-enjoy sa family mo. Okay. Financial goal faster. Most of you know my story that last year I was very deep financial struggle kasi yung major business ko na bankrupt. Okay. Pero just a span of time, nakapag-recover kami. Last year, this month, hindi ko alam kung paano ko, last year, this month, exactly this month, magpa-finals na. 3 anak namin sa private school. Lahat yan, umiyak yung misis ko because I asked her na maghingi ng something permission sa finance or sa cashier ng school na hindi kami makabayad. So that was sad for me. That's not my dream for my family. I was financially struggled at back then. But because of this business, Forex business, ngayon, fast track, 3 months advance pa lang, na full na namin yung the whole year na bayad namin sa school. And not only that, nakapag-recover kami, we sold 2 of our cars. Ibig sabihin nito namin 2 car namin during the time that we have struggled. Last year, December, nakapagbili kami ng bagong car, which is a brand new Montero. So, achieve financial goal faster. Ito yung mga why. This is very important in doing everything, especially itong Forex business. Kasi, ito kasi side hustle. Originally, when you start side hustle ito, na pwede kang ma-distract kasi hindi ito main goal mo. Okay? Hindi ito main goal mo. Thank you. Thank you, Reggie. I appreciate this one na nagbibigay ka ng mga notes mo. Okay, guys. Sa 4 na ito, saan dito choose 1 or 2 na pinakagusto mo? Work anywhere, anytime, access to global wealth, scalable earnings, or achieve financial goal faster. Saan dito? 2 lang. All in naman lahat. Dapat meron ding risk management. Okay. Si Edwin, I like this one. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 lang. 1 and 4. I can work anytime. I like this one. Actually, guys, ito yung goal ko. Ito yung goal ko. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to have a freedom lifestyle. Freedom lifestyle. Ito lang talaga. Gusto ko lang, kung gusto ko magbakasyon, anytime magbabakasyon ako. If I want to live in the beach, kasi I'm a vacation guy, wala naman sigurong taong ayaw magbakasyon. Mayroon ba ditong taong ayaw magbakasyon? Kahit mag-drive ako ng 12 hours, it's okay. Okay. Basta ang destination is White Sand Beach. Okay na ako dyan. I want to have a freedom lifestyle. Living life on our own terms. Walang magsasabi sa akin that I blah blah blah. Ito yung deadline. Ito yung kailangan. Gusto ko lang peace of mind. At the same time, I have a good budget for a month or a years or coming years. Yun lang. Ito lang yung reason talaga. Bakit ko to pinasok? Because I want to have a freedom lifestyle. Sino dito gusto sa inyo magkaroon ng freedom lifestyle? Kaya nga guys, wait, i-admit ko muna itong kaibigan ko.
Okay na, coach. Okay na, coach.
Okay. After this one, siguro wala na tayong papapasukin, no? So, freedom lifestyle, bakit ito importante, guys? Kasi ito yung para sa akin. This is life for me. This is quality life for me. I don't think so that we are born just to work the rest of our life. I don't think so. I think that we need also to enjoy the creation of God. Kasi, I remember this quote. If you are not, I'm not sure how to praise this one, how to line up the praises. But the quote sound like this. Please help me if alam itong quote na ito. that if you are not busy chasing your dream, then you are busy chasing the dream of other person. Tama ba? If you are not busy chasing your dream, then you are busy chasing the dream of other person. Are you with me? Do you know that quote, guys? Can someone help me with that? That's one of my favorite quote, pero hindi siya masyadong favorite kasi hindi ko na memorize. Yun lang yung reason, lifestyle. All right? So I think we're all set with that one. And then that's the reason why we are doing this one. With this kind of lifestyle ang mabibigay sa'yo, ang tanong ko guys is, worth it ba mo itong aralin? Worth it ba itong mag-sacrifice? Worth it ba ng 1 hour a day mo para aralin to? I want to say, worth it, kung worth it sa'yo. If this is the kind of life na ma-offer sa business na ito, ang tanong ko, do you think this is worth it to learn? Do you think this is worth it to study? Yes, real talk, it's not entertaining. It's not entertaining. The trainings are not entertaining. Sometimes it's boring. But guys, tapos na tayo for how many years niloloko tayo na for entertainment, walang nangyayari sa atin. Okay, if you want to have a freedom lifestyle, you need to do the things that other people don't do. So you will have the things that other people don't have. Okay. Oh, sorry, Marilyn. Close door na tayo. Anyway, imagine if may pagkakataon ka na itong freedom lifestyle na ito, pwede mo itong gawin. Gagawin mo ba? Yun yung question ko. Imagine, wag mo tingnan yung situation mo ngayon. Kasi eventually, lahat naman tayo may pinagdaanan. Lahat naman tayo naghihirap. Lahat naman tayo nasa somehow, quote and quote, nasa rat race na sinasabi ni Robert Kiyosaki. Quote unquote, but if given a chance na magkakaroon ka ng freedom lifestyle, gagawin mo ba? Yes or no? Alright? Absolutely yes. Gagawin kong lahat. Baka masunugan ka lang ng 10 USD, iiyak ka na. Tapos ibibili mo pa yung mga coaches. Labayan, tagikag ko, no? Tasa. At least clear sa atin. Di ba? Clear. Is it easy? No. Is it doable? Yes. Is it achievable? Yes. It is for everyone? No. But hopefully it's for everyone. Okay, guys. I want you to understand that for you to do that, how much will cost you? Magkano kaya? Magkano kaya ang gusto mong kitain? Na para yung freedom lifestyle na yon, makonsider mo na na freedom lifestyle. Okay? Let's just say for 1 month. Okay? Okay na ba yung 200,000 a month para sa'yo? Okay na ba 100,000 a month para sa'yo? Okay lang ba 300,000 a month para sa'yo? Let me know. Guys, you need to know. Because if you don't know, you will not get it. The first goal is you need to be very clear on what you want in life. Okay. Magkano yung how much it cost? Magkano yan? Okay. Some says 100 USD a day, 150,000 a month. Okay. 300K a month, 200K a month, 100K a month na sa akin. Consistent daily 100. That's good. 100K a month. Huwag mo natin for beginners o at no, huwag mo na tingnan yan. Tingnan mo yung goal. Kasi I'm sure hindi naman natin ito makukuha bukas na bukas. Depende sa process. Some will get it 2 weeks from now. Some will get it 1 month from now. Some will get it 3 months from now. Some will get it 6 months from now. It doesn't matter. Depende what kind of dedication, what kind of focus, kung ano yung time na ibibigay mo. But giving a chance na mangyayari ito sa'yo, ito yung sasabihin ko sa'yo, yes, it is possible. It is possible. Okay. Now, these are just example from one of our coach, kumita 3,856. Okay. 200,000 in 1 day. Ibig sabihin, yung 200,000 mo in 1 month, kaya. Kasi nakaya nga 200,000 in 1 day. Imagine niyo guys, the owner of this trade is a seaman. Siyempre, hindi na siya nagsisiman kasi yung 1 month niya kaya kita on 1 day. Following, can you see my screen? This is 200,000 in 1 day. But I'm not saying 200,000 every day yung trade na. Let's just say makukuha niya ito 200,000 in 1 week. Not bad. Not bad. Okay? Okay, and our team, I think she's here. Na consistent na itong nagwi-withdraw. Nagtitrade siya. I think this is last week. Friday, I think Friday, Thursday last week. 326. Okay, 326 last week. 326 was the day. Kumita siya guys. 744. 4 hours. 42,000. 1 in 4 hours. Bigyan natin 1 day. Freedom lifestyle. Imagine nyo kung this is consistent. Every other day lang. Okay. This is a trade, guys. US 30. Okay. 1 trade. 947. 53,000. 1 day. Okay? 1 day. 220. Ba't dumadami tayo? Pwede na ba nating ilock yung ano siguro natin, Coach J? Ilock yung room.
Yes,
Okay.
Coach.
Here is, hindi nasama. Wait. Okay, nagkagulo itong. Bakit hindi nakita itong isang picture ko? Here's my withdrawal last week. Okay. Ulitin ko na lang para pakita talaga lahat. I think this is my withdrawal last week. Okay, this one is the same. This one. It's the same. Ito yung mga withdrawal ko last week, guys. And then here is no, this week pala. This week pala. Here is last Thursday kasi magbabayad kami sa school. So ito yung withdrawal ko. Hindi makita. Anyway, isi-send ko na lang sa ito yung downside ng Canva. So hindi siya makita. Actually, I already sent this one sa GC. Okay. Ito is nag-withdraw ako ng gusto ko talagang ipakita. Wait, saan kaya ito galing? Load ko ito yung files. Kahit ito na lang. Nakita niyo. So this week, okay. And upload another files. Kasi this one is proof na may resulta. Diba? Kasi alam ko naman marami dyan nag-observe lang. To see is to believe. Pero kung ako sa inyo guys, malaki yung pangangailangan natin sa pera makabayad sa utang. Tanggalin nyo na yung mga duda nyo guys. Kasi para magkaroon tayo ng breakthrough, kailangan natin paniwalaan yung ginagawa natin. So this is my withdrawal this week. Nakita nyo April 3. So with VT Market guys, nag-withdraw ako I think Thursday ba? Kasi mayroon pang isang hindi ko nabayaran. Actually, ang story is sa previous school, di ba sabi ko sa iyo, hindi ako nakabayad last year. Sa previous school, mayroon pa kaming kulang. And then pero yung sa mga bata namin sa school, 3 months advance nabayaran na namin before mag-finals. Pero kailangan bayaran siya kasi para ma-cleared yung, kung may record yun sa previous school ng bata ko. So, sige, may mag-withdraw tayo. So, nag-withdraw ako. Kanina, mag-withdraw sana ako. I forgot Saturday pala. Kasi pag withdraw Saturday, Monday pa siya ma-receive. Kasi dito kasi sa VT Markets is instant. Mag-withdraw ako today, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, nandiyan na sa bangko ko. So instant. So I withdraw 1,000 and then supposedly mag-withdraw din ako. So 19, they break it down to 3 parts. So yun. So plus my previous withdrawals. Okay. So not bad for this week withdrawals na umabot din ng 6 digit in 1 week. Freedom. Okay. And these are the results that I've been trading this week. using the strategy that I'm revealing. Nakita niyo naman. Malit lang guys, kasi malit lang naman yung target ko. Nakita niyo naman. So tonight, i-reveal ko sa inyo kung ano yung ginagawa ko for me to get a consistent result. Kung medyo matagal ka na, nasa mga 1 month ka na sa community, siguro makikita mo na almost every night, nagpo-post ako ng result talaga after 9:30. After 9:30 yan. Minsan, na hindi pa mag-10, mag-send na ako ng result ko doon sa 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 trading ko. Anyway, so much with that. Let's go for the strategy that I've give to you guys is this is my personal is when I discover the secret trade of the secret method, itong tinatawag na live trading sessions with Abdallah. Now, if you are new, sa lahat ng mga ma-access mo guys sa community, sa VIP community guys, I encourage you, kung mayroon mang isa na dapat mong i-focus, because hindi mo ma-master lahat. You can't master Manara at the same time. You're mastering our gold scalping strategy. At the same time, you're mastering other strategies as well. At the same time, you're mastering. You can't do that. For you to sharpen your skills is one, you need to choose your weapon, choose the one strategy, and then master that strategy bago ka lilipat sa ibang strategy. Maybe 1 month, at least 1 month to 2 months bago ka lilipat. Kung may isang strategy na gusto kong i-master mo, is ito yung live trading sessions with Abdallah. Bakit? You will trade hand in hand with one of the best scalper in the world na si Abdallah Hartfuch. I'm sorry. Hartfuch or I don't know guys. Foreigner kasi, so iba yung pronunciation na. Naka-base siya sa Dubai. And then, alam niyo naman, ang Dubai is pinakamalaking gathering ng Forex is nasa Dubai. The whole world. Last year, sa pinakamalaking gathering ng Forex sa Dubai, isa siya sa mga speakers doon. So, ibig sabihin yung level na is masters of the masters na. Kasi guys, hindi po ibiro itong live trading na gagawin. Kasi kapag ka nakamali ka, kapag ka natalo ka, sa Bisaya pa, pwede kang maulawan. Anong tawag nito sa Tagalog, guys? Pwede kang maulawan kung sa Bisaya pa pag nagkamali ka. This is not easy kasi live to, makikita. But I want you to understand that this is one of, mapahiya ka, tama, thank you for that word. Pwede kang mapahiya. But I want you to understand, this guy, every night, nagkakaroon siya ng live trade. That means, he knows what he's doing. Magte-20 years lang naman siya yung experience niya sa Forex trading. So, yun yung live trading sessions. Why live trading sessions? Take note, this is the fastest and the easiest way to be consistent in Forex trading. Pwede kang manalo 1 time, 2nd time. Pero ang question, consistent ba? Pero kung gusto mong consistent, ito isiseryosohin mo. This is the fastest and the easiest way na pwede kang manalo sa Forex trading. Okay. Marami tayo tonight na 221. Baka may mga non-members dito na nakapasok. Sinishare yung link. Ha? Okay, wala ka pa rin Abdallah. So kaya mag-i-enroll ka pa rin kasi kailangan mo ng Abdallah. This strategy is kailangan mo. Ulitin ko, if you are new in this one, meron kang access sa tinatawag nating live sessions or live trading sessions with Abdallah. Okay. One of the top traders na pina-follow natin na access lang sa VIP community na mahabang nagtitrade siya, magtitrade ka rin kasama niya. Okay. It looks easy, pero guys, tanong ko lang, sino dito nakasabay na kay Abdallah? Yung naka-attend na sa live sessions niya. Can you type me? Nakasabay na. Sino dito naging profitable sa trade niya? Can you type profitable? Profitable. Sumabay, naging profitable. Sino dito nasunog or natalo? Can you type talo? Sino dito hindi nakasabay? Kasi masyadong mabilis. Hindi nakasabay kasi masyadong mabilis. Natalo, hindi nakasabay. Profitable, that's true. Talo. Bakit? Too fast. Okay, that's the problem. Because it's too fast. Now, Kasi it's too fast. Mayroon itong strategy na na-discover ko. Now, ang timing, ibibigay ko sa inyo para hindi ka maiwan. Kailangan hindi ka, unang-una, kailangan alam mo rin kung anong gagawin mo. Kaya ibibigay ko ito sa iyo. Kasi it's too fast. Okay. Laki ng spread, no? With our VT markets, almost zero yung spread natin. Remember that this is US 30 and this is the reason why we trade US 30. Because US 30, the trade is 2. Baka hindi VT markets yung ano mo, broker mo. Nasunog ako kasi nag-overtrade ako. At least alam mo, 'di ba? You're accountable with what you're doing. Okay. 'Yon. So, most of you yung hindi pa, ulitin ko, ito ma-access mo live trading sessions with Abdallah if you're already enrolled, if you're in a VIP section. This thing, kung gusto mo talagang mabilis, guys, mag-VT markets ka na gusto mo mabilis talaga. Yes, gusto mong kumita ng mabilis at mabilis yung strategy mo. Okay, ito yung gagawin mo. Don't mess around with live trading sessions. You are leaving money on the table. Okay. Now, here are the prerequisite. Prerequisite. Tama ba yung spelling ko? Here are the prerequisite. Ibig sabihin, before you trade Abdallah, dapat itong mga bagay na ito makukonsider mo. Kasi baka hindi yung prerequisite, yung kanina. Pumasok ka lang, hindi mo pa alam. So here's the prerequisite of our live trading sessions. Number 1. Okay. You need to go to ECA. Okay, you need to go to ECA. Open ECA. Okay. Pwede nyo ito i-take note, guys. ECA, kasi hindi ko ipamigay itong record ng copy na ito because marami kasing nag-observe sa atin. At gagamitin lang yung mga ginagamit natin doon sa ibang ano nila. So, live trading sessions. So, you open ECA, you open live trading sessions, you open Forex, LTS, and then go to US 30. Guys, US 30, guys, hindi ko na-explain yan. Okay? Hindi ko na-explain. You go to Google after this one, type what is US 30. And then you click introduction. Copy? ECA, live trading session, Forex. Pwede nyo itong picturean sa picture nyo. Okay. And then, i-click mo yung introduction. Huwag kang sumabay sa trade kung hindi mo ito napanood. Kasi hindi mo alam kung anong rationale. Bakit? Ano yung rationale behind it? Copy. Deal? Do we have a deal? Can we type deal? Deal. Kasi maraming nasunugan ako na alam mo ba kung anong ginagawa mo? Tiningnan mo ba? Ano ba yung background? Ano ba yung prerequisite? Okay. That's good. Do you have a deal? Okay. So, ito yung titingnan mo. Tatlo. Okay. Actually, this one, I think this is a short video. Okay. But titingnan mo itong dalawa. Itong tatlong video. Under dito, when you click this one, makita mo ito. At actually, 4 na video ito, introduction. But this one kasi is Arabic or Portuguese. So ito English. So you need to see this one first. This is like 30 minutes video. For you to understand the strategy, ano yung strategy behind it. And i-explain din niya kung ano itong US 30. Ang tawag niya dito is backtesting. The strategy behind the scalping strategy na ginagawa niya para ma-follow mo. Copy? Copy. Prerequisite yan. Prerequisite. Ibig sabihin, for you to be successful there, you need to understand why. Ibig sabihin, kung magsasabay ka at hindi mo alam, you will not be successful there. Okay. Mayroon siyang full rules. That's a prerequisite. Another thing, commit yourself that you are going to attend live session for 1 month. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Mastery. Remember that our goal is lifestyle. Remember that our goal is consistent profitability. Commit yourself that you're going to attend this session for 1 month. Who wants to commit? If you commit, you said yes to your success. If you don't commit, you said no to your success. Like I said, it's not for everyone. It's not for everyone. only for those who are willing and serious to make money in financial market. Commit every night, every night, every night. Now, kung ma-miss ka, kung ma-miss mo itong live trading session, guys, okay, here, this side, balik ako sa ECA, this side, sa baba nito, mayroon tong weekly, every day. Yung session niya yesterday, mayroon siyang review. But sometimes hindi updated na ilalagay. 1 day or 2 days. Meron dito, mayroong i-review ilalagay. So, pwede mo siyang i-follow para ma-follow through mo talaga lahat. Kasi bakit 1 month? Yun yung time ng mastery mo. 30 days. Okay. Sa gym nga, 30 days, wala pang muscle yan. Siguro mga 3 months to 6 months. Di ba? Ganon din. Anong makukuha mo sa muscle? Hindi mo mabibili yan, di ba? Discipline pa kaya nakikita ka ng dollar. Okay? Are you with me? Prerequisite, guys. Masasabi ko na ma-master mo ito if you... So now, kung hindi ka nag-renew, you need to renew again, guys, kasi magmamahal na tayo. You have a new packages and it's not 149 anymore. It's 199. Okay, well, of course with other products, swipe to trades. So if I were you, magkano lang naman yung 149 or yung 99 na renewal para ma-master mo itong strategy? Isang araw lang yan. Kita mo naman mga results. Nakita mo yung results ko. Isang araw lang yan. Okay. Bakit kailangan pang mga ganyan? Kasi guys, success is what comes after you stop making excuses. Kailangan ng commitment. Hindi lang one time. Kailangan siya ng consistency. Kailangan siya ng habit hanggang maging lifestyle mo. So pag sinasabi mo na, okay, gusto kong kumita, gusto hindi ko kumita, tapos hindi mo ibinigay yung commitment mo, so alam mo na kung ano yung reason. You can't put the blame on someone else. Are you with me? Again, I'm sorry that's a real talk. But I already asked permission na kung pwede ba akong mag-real talk sa inyo. Okay. So success comes when you stop making excuses. If you really want this one, if you really want that lifestyle, freedom lifestyle na pinag-usapan natin kanina, if you really want that that kind of financial freedom, gasgas na kasi yung financial freedom. Gusto ko yung quality life and freedom lifestyle. Now, you need to eliminate excuses over your life. Eliminate excuses over your life. Erase excuses over your life. Are you with me? Are you with me? Ask you, ay, bakit may mga ganyan-ganyan Forex to? Guys, success in Forex, guys, is 90% mindset. Pwedeng magaling ka sa skills mo, pero mali. I saw a lot. Magaling sa skills talaga, mali na nakakuha. Pero mindset mali. So, hindi rin nagtatagal. So, kailangan tama din yung mindset. Copy? Okay. Here are the 5 trading rules in what I do with live trading sessions. If you are using bigger screen, that would be better kasi yung sa mga for illustrations, makikita mo. Again, ulitin ko, this is not for everyone. Only for those ready to level up their trading game. Kaya success is not also for everyone. Lahat ng nagre-request ng approve matic, ng record matic yan decline. Kasi, syempre, this is my strategy. I have the prerogative to share it to the public or not. So, this one, I don't share it. So, your privilege and congratulations na nandito kayo. Okay. Here is the live trading sessions. Makikita mo. Okay? So, kung makikita, so okay na tayo sa prerequisite, ha? Okay na tayo sa prerequisite. Kung makikita mo, guys, pagpasok ni Abdallah, okay, maglalagay siya doon ng tinatawag na support and resistance. Okay, ito yung mga support and resistance niya. Zones. And after that, maglalagay siya ng is there a short position or a long position? Okay, na marker. Okay. The red, is for your SL. O wag kang mag-ano dito, then pag green, dito pag mag-breakaway, dito ka mag-trade. Okay? Following. So ito yung ilalagay niya. So ikaw din, magtitingin ka rin sa screen mo. So you need to also make your own. Okay. So here's the other important considerations which is very important and part of the formula na hindi halam at hindi sinasabi ng iba. Okay. Unang-una, trading time is 9:30 p.m. PH lang guys kasi alam ko all over the world tayo. May taga Canada, may taga Australia, may taga Dubai, marami Hong Kong. Pero PH time tayo. Ano yung sabihin ng PH time? Ikaw na yung mag-convert. So this is 9:30 p.m. live sessions. So meaning 9:20 pa lang ready ka na. Ready na yung cellphone mo, ready ka na ng internet mo, wala ka ng distraction. Or at least 9:25. Saan ka pupunta? Okay. Go to, I forgot. Wala dito, okay. I forgot. Go to Eka, and then Masterclass, and then Abdallah. Okay. Sulat ko na lang para go to Home section, go to Eka, click mo Eka, and then go to Masterclass. Sorry guys, yung papasok, hindi na natin papapasukin, hindi na nila makukuha. Masterclass, and then you go for Abdallah. Click mo yung Abdallah. Kung sino si Abdallah, anong background niya, that's your assignment. Okay? Remember guys, in trading, you need also to do your own research or your. Hindi pwedeng spoon feeding lahat. In fact, guys, dito sa ating community, ito yung pinaka-spoon feeding sa lahat. Sa ibang grupo ng economy, wala nang ganitong mga klaseng trainings. Okay, when you enroll, nasa iyo na yung ECA. Kasi guys, kung titingnan mo talaga lahat sa ECA, overloaded na yung trainings na yun. Basic, Advanced, Masterclass, US30, ang dami. Manara, lahat. Sabihin mo more than 200 trainings. Pas nag-upload pa yan everyday kasi yung mga Masterclass ina-upload nila. Hindi pa kasama yung kay Jessica na stocks na maganda din. Maganda din aralin. Overloaded na yan. Pero this one is the chart mastery and mga strategies natin. This is like nag-over-deliver tayo or add-on kasi nag-join kayo sa community, no? Under my team, under my community. So, wala ito sa ibang grupo. Kaya may nagtatanong, bro, anong difference niyo sa ibang grupo na economy? Sabi ko, bro, sa amin, marami kaming trainings every week. May trainings kami. Tapos meron tayong group coaching every Thursday. Sa kanila, wala. Okay, anyway. So, kailangan kang sumabay. Kasi nga, di ba, bago ka, hindi mo pa ito master. So, you need to join with a master. Guys, listen. In the world of business, meron tayong tinatawag na business mentoring, business coaching. And for some, for you to access sa mga business coaching na yan, kailangan ka magbayad ng mahal. Early stage in my career, I have a business coach which I pay 50,000 per month. Business coach. Ganun yung access in the world of business. Pero sa atin, yung 149, enough na yun na pwede tayong sumabay. And hindi lang nagtitrade guys, nagbibigay din siya. Habang nagsasabay ka sa kanya for 1 month, makukuha mo yung strategy. Kasi sometimes, 5 minutes lang tapos na siya nag-trade. Tapos the rest, magsisermon na siya. Ano ibig sabihin nagsisermon? Magbibigay na siya ng mga tips. Magbibigay na siya ng mga strategies. Especially psychology. Okay. Ano yung asset na iti-trade mo, US30 or DG30 sa VT markets? DG30. Okay. Broker guys, tested and proven VT markets kasi almost zero yung spread. Sa time na yan. Guys, remember the spread is iba-iba. Okay, iba-iba. And then time frame is 5 minutes. Time frame is 5 minutes because this is scalping. May mga iba na scalping sila 1 minute. Pero sa atin is 5 minutes kasi at least mas babasa pa natin yung trend. Binabasa din kasi natin yung trend. Okay, copy with this one. Gusto niyo picturean. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Picturean nyo. Okay, next. Let me know kung hindi na picturean kasi babalik ko yung screen na yon kasi hindi ko binibigay yung record. We will review that chat. Astang nagana ra ba? Unya na mo pagtabi diya. Paminaw sa mo. Okay. Okay. Guys. Next. Rule number 1. No, nasa content na tayo. Nasa hard content na tayo. You need to check the trend. You need to check the trend. Wait. You need to check the trend. Check the trend. Okay, babalik ko. Okay. Pagtingin mo sa chart mo, ito yung makikita mo. Tama? Ito yung makikita mo. Pause. Okay, ito yung makikita mo. DG30, M5. Okay? So, ito yung M5. Lot size, depende sa capital mo, but ano yung pinaka-lowest na pwede mong makuha? Yan ang kukunin mo. Kasi di ba nag-ano ka pa lang, nag-aaral ka pa lang. Okay, pinaka-lowest na pwede mong makuha. I'm not sure if 0.01 is allowable. I think 0.05. Sinong may alam kung ano yung pinaka-lowest? For Light Finance, it's YM, but I still recommend VT Markets kasi itong strategy is VT Markets. Okay. So, sabi nga ni Coach Noel, trend is your friend. Check the trend. Okay. Now, to checking the trend, guys, remember that, by the way, kailangan mo rin aralin ang technical analysis, ha? So, sa technical analysis, ito yung recommendation ko. Mag-aral ka sa chart mastery. Pinaka-importante aralin mo doon is trend, support, resistance, trend, support and resistance, candlestick, abbreviation na lang para madali. Trend, support and resistance, candlestick, and candlestick patterns. Okay, yun ang pinaka-importante na aralin mo. Remember sa trend, guys, the trend is different in different time frames. If you check M5, pwede siyang downtrend. But if you check higher time frame like M30 or 30 minutes, pwede siyang uptrend. Okay? But remember that iba-iba. The meaning of the candlestick, guys, sinasabi nating M5. Itong one candle na ito is 5 minutes. This one is 5 minutes. Yan ang ibig sabihin ng time frame sa trading. Now, with this strategy, anong gamit natin? M5. 0.01 and minimum sa Light Finance. May nakita ko, Doji, possible reverse. Yan. Importante marunong ka rin sa aralin mo rin. So, go back to chart mastery, at least one video per day, 1 week, alam mo na, kuha mo na lahat yan. Guys, mahal yan kung we spend 30,000 for that para makuha, para may ibigay sa'yo yung iba. I mean. So, for this one, guys, I have a strategy para madali na lang makuha yung trend. Naglalagay ako, guys, na tinatawag na indicator. Very simple technical indicator is EMA. Okay, EMA. So, saan ko kukunin yan? Okay, dito sa taas. Wait. Nag-play siya sa sarili mo. Nagpi-play ka sa sarili mo. Wait. Dito, guys, sa taas. Okay, ito. Dito yung indicator. By the way, I'm using cellphone, so I cannot demonstrate with the use of laptop kasi I'm not using laptop for trading. I'm using laptop for chart, pag-aaral, analysis. So click here. By the way, guys, dito ka mag-trade, ha? This is buy and this is sell. Okay? This is buy, this is sell. Kung wala ito sa'yo, you click this one para lalabas. You click this one. Copy. So, for this checking the trade, you need to click this one para makuha mo yung maglalagay tayo ng trend indicator. Very simple trend indicator lang naman. Okay? So, click here. Ito. Click ko to. Tapos, click mo ito sa upper right. And then, hanapin mo yung tinatawag na moving average. Okay? Exponential tayo, guys. Exponential. Period of 10. So yun yung setting ko. Very simple. Then you can put color if you want red, red. So click this one if you want blue or green or depende sa iyo ano yung preference mo. For me, red para madali lang makita. So yan, nakaset na. So here, ito na, nakita nyo. So ito na yung tinatawag natin na moving average. Copy? Guys, dinahandaan ko kasi I know maraming bago. So kung medyo magaling na kayo, please bear with us. Kasi I know some of this strategy hindi pa marami kasi strategy guys, pero ito kasi yung pinakamadaling kopyahin at pinaka-consistent din sa akin. Okay. So nawala din yung ano ko. This is how we use nawala. This is how we use moving average. Saan ba 'yun? Wait, hinahanap ko yung chart na moving average. Ito yung disadvantage sa Canva. Anyway, wait, isa na lang. Talaga? Siguro ito. Okay. Okay, ito pala. Okay, here. So ito yung paggamit guys ng moving average. Okay, especially for those who are new. I hope you can see my screen. So kapag ka yung red moving average nasa taas at yung candlestick nasa baba, that means is downtrend. Okay? Kapag ka yung red, itong line ng moving average nasa baba at yung candlestick nasa taas, that means, can you help me? That means uptrend. Kapag ka nag-cross, nag-cross siya, okay? Nag-cross. That could be a reversal or ranging. Entry na kaagad. Wag muna ng entry. Titingnan muna natin yung trend. Nasa number 1 rules pa tayo. Dinahan-dahan ko lang because walang record ito. I make it sure na maintindihan mo. Okay? So this is how you see the trend. Ulitin ko. Pag nasa taas yung line, ito si Emma, nasa baba yung candlestick, ibig sabihin downtrend yan. Pag nag-cross, ibig sabihin reversal or ranging. Nag-cross, reversal, or ranging. So eventually here, this one is a little bit ranging. Okay, ranging. Ibig sabihin guys, ang purpose nito guys, balik ako sa ano, ang purpose nito guys is titingnan mo kung saan si Emma. Okay? Titingnan mo. Kung is downtrend, ang bias mo guys is downtrend. Okay. If it's nakita mo dito downtrend, ang bias mo downtrend, ibig sabihin, mas priority mo yung execution na sell. Pag nakita mo uptrend, mas priority mo yung execution na buy. Yun yung bias mo. Kasi nga, trend is your friend. Copy? Kuha na rule number 1? Okay. Rule number 2. Okay, continue na ako hanggang rule number 5 lang ito. Rule number 2, support and resistance. Now, this one is we need to make our own support resistance. Kasi iba yung support resistance ni Abdallah. Iba yung support resistance sa atin. Now, this is the trade secret. This is one of the trade secret. Actually, the EMA is part of the trade secret. Kasi pag may ganito ka, kagaya this one, ganito ka, nakikita mo, yung trade mo is, pwede siyang bias sa sell. Alam mo na. So, you don't need to go M15, M30, tapos magsasabi na si Abdallah, okay, buy. Okay. By the way, guys, take note, this is very important. Hindi ka makikinig sa salita ni Abdallah pag sinasabi niyang buy. Listen, that's why you need to create on your own kasi yung sabi niya na buy, remember this is Zoom. Pwede siyang ma-delayed ng seconds. 2 seconds, 3 seconds. And then yung trade natin guys, sometimes 3 seconds lang exit na sa market. Kasi kukunin natin dito is 3 pips, 5 pips lang. Copy? So you need to create your own support and resistance in the cell phone. So this is now my support and resistance. Saan ka gagawa? Gagawa ka doon sa latest candle. Latest candle. Okay? So how do you do support and resistance? Okay, I'll show you. Click somewhere in the space. Click somewhere, just tap somewhere in the space of your cell phone at lalabas itong parang circle menu. For this case, okay, ito na yung circle menu. Okay? Paglabas niya sa circle menu, wait, hindi ko ma-backtrack. Okay. Paglabas niya sa circle menu, okay, click, click mo somewhere that's open. May lalabas na circle menu. Okay, yan. Okay. Yan. Paglabas ng circle menu, guys, is i-click mo itong saan si circle? Play ko ulit. Okay. Dahan-dahan lang. It's okay. Para may time kayo. Okay. You click somewhere. Ulitin ko. This is making support and resistance. Gagawa tayo, guys, ng ganitong linya. I-click mo ito. Itong mga shapes. So when you click that one, pupunta ka dito, i-click mo lang ganitong line. And then may lalabas. And you double tap this one and then you just move. Okay, you move. Okay. So this one is how you move. Ito yung line. Ito yung support and resistance mo. Kasama yung wick ha, kasama yung wick. Including the wicks. So may naglagay na ko dito ng support and resistance ko. Copy. So support sa baba, support sa taas. Now, your support and resistance, guys, is for your previous candle. Kasi actually this one is, nag-prepare na ako maglagay this one kasi yung trade ko is for the next candle. Copy. So by the way, ito pala. Ito yung pag-delete. Kung gusto mo i-delete yung line, click ka naman dito para may bagong line. Okay. Pinakita ko lang. Okay. Click mo dito. Tapos here. And then here. Okay. Pwede mo naman itong ma-explore sa YouTube. Okay. Ito na. Diba? Lumabas na yung next candle. Copy. Lumabas na yung next candle. So, ito yung basis ko ngayon, guys. Dito ako magti-trade. Pero wala pa tayo sa rule number 5, ha? Rule number 2 pa tayo. You need to make a support resistance. Copy. Copy? Question so far? Okay. Coach, ito yung chart ko. Pagit. Ano ba? Chart mo. Tanggalin mo muna yung iba kasi this is for, wag masyadong magulo yung lifestyle. Kasi this one, maybe you're using for that strategy, but if you're using this strategy alone, you need to minimize some. Kasi this is for this strategy alone to simplify. Okay? So support and resistance, last candle. So this is the last candle. We will trade in this candle kung pasok sa criteria. Moving on. So alam niyo na kung paano gumawa ng support and resistance. Rule number 3. If there's no wick, no trade. Anong ibig sabihin ng wick ito? Ito yung wick. Pag walang wick, walang trade. So kailangan hanapin mo yung wick. Okay. I-explain ko mamaya. Okay. Rule number 4. Second tap and breakaway. Doon ka mag-trade. Okay. If there's no wick, hanap ako dito ng na walang wick. Okay. Example, this one. Okay, this one. And then we're going to walang wick ito. Walang wick sa baba. And then you're going to sell. Are you going to buy? Walang buy ito kasi walang wick sa baba. Okay. So ito yung wick. Ito wick. Wick is my meaning yan. For this one, for this alone, my meaning is the strong movement. Is it uptrend or downtrend? So ito yun na yung 4. Okay, ito yung 4. Okay. Ito yung wick, tama? Ito yung wick. Okay. Tap 1 second tap. Okay, so this is now your last candlestick. This is your new candlestick. Copy? This is your support and resistance. Copy? So ito na yung gumawa ka ng support and resistance and then dito ka na magti-trade. Okay. So what is first stop and breakaway? Okay, first stop and breakaway, maganito kasi yung market guys, lalo na pag 9:30, bang, bang. Pag ganun siya, tapos tataas lang siya, walang wick, tama? Kahit mag-top shot, mag-breakaway siya, walang trade dyan. Walang trade, no trade, walang wick. Wick is one of our important confluences or confirmation. Okay, kailangan may wick. Okay. So pag ganyan-ganyan siya, bang, first stop. Huwag ka muna mag-trade. Bang, so hanapin mong mag-second top. Kung first stop lang siya kasi, tapos nag-break away siya, pwede siyang magkaroon ng fake breakaway. Fake breakaway. Ibig sabihin, sa ICT term niyan is liquidity. Kinuha lang yung mga stop loss niyo. Fake breakaway and maraming nangyayari yan. Kaya to avoid fake breakaway, ito yung may tinatawag na first stop on second top. Okay. Ano yung fake breakaway? Akala mo kasi, sa strategy kasi ng support resistance, pag mag-breakaway na yan, that's good to go. However, yung iba, nag-break siya tapos bumalik. Copy? Sino makarelate nito? Nag-break and go. So kaya importante, first stop. Okay. Sige, dito na. So ito yung first stop. First stop siya, bang. Nag-first stop siya, bang. Bumalik. Second top. Second top, tapos nag-break away, nag-break away, nag-break away, nag-break away. Bigyan mo ng konting allowance para hindi ka ma-fake, mga ganyan. Bang! Trade ka na ngayon. Anong criteria? Support and resistance. Nag-break away. Wait. Following. Ano yung criteria? Support and resistance, mayroon na, di ba? Nag-break away. Pero kailangan mong bigyan mo na ng allowance. Hindi yung dito pa lang nag-trade ka na. No, wag kang mag-trade. Kailangan siyang mag-break away. Kailangan siyang lumampas. Kailangan siyang lumampas and kailangan siyang may second top or third top or it doesn't matter. Basta more than one top. Copy. Second top, third top. So, bang. Diyan kang mag-trade. Copy. Okay, another illustration for, this one is for buy. Okay, another illustration is for sell na naman. At least, para maano nyo talaga. Okay. So, pag hindi siya nag-break, ganyan-ganyan lang, dito lang siya sa loob, wala siyang trade. Pag bumalik naman ganyan, ito yung structure. Siyempre. Okay. But ito na naman. This one is for sell illustration. So, mayroong wick. Pag ganyan-ganyan yan. Another, pag walang wick, no trade. Anong ibig sabihin ng walang wick? Wala kang makikita na ganito, line. Siwil ba? Sa Bisaya, siwil, siwil. Wala kang makikita. So, yung market, gumaganyan yan. Gumaganyan. Yan. Magalaw. First top. Second top. Okay. Pero kung second top, guys, nag-break away siya, medyo allowance ng konti, ganyan, bang. Pwede ka na mag-trade. Bang. Trade ka. Ito yung timing. Guys, ang timing, guys, is you need to master this one. Kaya 1 month kasi kailangan mo itong timing. First top, bang. Huwag kang mag-trade sa first top. You need to trade second top. Second top, bang. Bang, nag-break away. Trade ka. Nag-break away, trade ka. Anong trade mo dito is sell. Copy. Okay? You can put your questions in the chat box kung naguguluhan kayo. Specific time frame, coach. Yeah, I already told that kanina. Second touch, then confirm breakaway. 5 minutes time frame. Nasasabi na natin yan kanina. Kaya kailangan talaga makinig ka because pera mo mawawa. It could risk your capital kung hindi mo alam. Copy. Coach now, intayin in case a minute. Okay. Intayin talaga, guys. Intayin talaga. Ganito yung 30 lang pwede. No, I'm not sure. But since this strategy is for US 30, this is for US 30. Pwede kayo mag-explore. Medyo malaki kasi yung spread sa gold. And then sa US 30 is very maliit lang. Kaya sa VT markets tayo. So, pwede kayo mag-explore, but for me, I have a good success in US 30 with Abdallah 930. Okay. Ano ba yung purpose ng week? Okay, good question. Good question. I like this question. Okay. The purpose of the week, guys. Okay. Wait. Good question. Who asked this? Whoever asked this question, that's a smart question. Okay. The purpose of the week, guys, is that's a symbol, guys, that the market is pushing. If the week is this one, the market is pushing in this direction, the opposite direction. Okay. If this is the another, if the week is this one, that means that the market is pushing upward. Okay. Oh, no. Ano ko lang. That's the purpose, guys. Pushing. For this specific. Maraming purpose ng week. Pwede siya rejection, pwede siya pushing. But ang week is a confirmation, guys. That's the force. Remember energy, remember movement, remember the market's volatility movement. The purpose of the week, guys, is it's meaning to say that if the week is here, that the force of the market is pushing down because the body is here. If this is the week, the force of the market is pushing up because the body is here. So you are going to trade with the momentum na kung mag-break away man siya dito, magti-trade ka, make it sure na abot siya hanggang dito para makapag-TP ka. Other than that, kung walang week, ibig sabihin walang momentum, pwede siya mag-first top, second top, pero hindi strong yung pag-break away niya. I hope I answer your questions. Nonetheless, that's a very smart question. Copy? Copy. Oh guys, gusto niyo makakita ng actual trade? Actual trade ko. Actual trades. Of course, hindi Saturday na ngayon, pero nag-record ako kahapon for my actual trade. Sino gusto makakita ng actual trade? Coach, observe my drawing si Abdallah at hindi lang previous candle. Yes. Kaya nga, this is trade secret. This is trade secret. Weak is rubber string shot, meaning to say, di ba rubber? Di ba? Pag gananan nyo mo, mayroon siyang force. Mawitik ba? But say witik sa Tagalog. Rapid movement, push, energy. Okay? Physics. Yun lang. Okay. Tama na isabot niya. Okay. Kaya na mag-intindi dyan. Winisik coach. Okay. So, the actual. You want to say the actual trade. Okay. Actual trade. Okay. That's why, sabi ko nga, this is the trade secret. May sariling support and resistance si Abdallah, but this is the trade secret na ibibigay natin aside from Abdallah. Kasi hindi lahat sumasabay makakuha eh. Kaya this one is nakuha natin. Thank God. And of course, sa pag-aaral natin, sa pag-aaral ko rin ng mga coaches. Also credit to Coach Dio for this one. Tingog naman Caldero. Nanihapon na. Okay. Next. Guys, actual trade. Actual trade. Okay. So here's the actual trade that I made. April 4. April 4. So, EMA, here's the EMA. That means, anong bias dito, guys? Buy or sell? What's the bias for this one? Sell. Kasi nasa taas yung line, nasa baba yung candlestick. Even though that this candle and second candle, it's buy, it's uptrend, but the bias is sell. So meaning to say, I'm ready for the sell kung mag-break away siya. I already put my support resistance, support resistance here. Okay. So where it goes, guys. Bang, tingnan nyo gumagalaw. Focus here, focus your attention here. Kaya mas maganda kung bigger screen kasi cellphone kayo yun. If cellphone yung ginamit nyo, medyo maliit talaga. So, ito. Support and resistance. Okay. Focus here. Di ba gumagalaw siya? Gumagalaw. Here's my support and resistance. So I'm looking for this price. Well, actually, nag-second top na siya. Nakita nyo? Lumabas na siya. Hindi ko na sinabay kasi that's the first top. Okay? So, movement, move, down, down. Down, a little bit down. Nag-first top, bang. Nag-second top, hindi pa ako nag-trade. Bang, dyan. Nag-second top, bang. Doon ako nag-trade. Okay, so negative pa siya, of course. Technically. By the way, guys, ito naman, kailangan mo itong i-click. Para makapag-ready to close possession ka. Bakit ako nakapunta dito? Di ba galing ako sa chart? Here. Tapos, clinic ko itong trade. Here. This one. This one. Trade. Kita? Galing ako dito. Clinic ko ito para makita ko ito. Because I'm preparing to close my trade. Wala nang SLTP dito kasi mabilisan ito. So, wala ka nang time mag-modify. Okay. Yung SL mo dito is ano na lang, mental na lang. So, this one. Okay? So, play ko ulit. So, sell guys. Nag-negative ako. Bang. Ito na, clinic ko ito. Ito na, wait. Tinggalan ko muna itong drawing. Okay. So, I'm aiming to click this one all position, guys, kapag ka mag-positive na. So, negative 4, negative 14, negative 24, negative 4, positive 6, positive 16, positive 6. I'm looking for 3 to 5 pips or good profit 26. Bang! Nag-close ako. Bang! 100 USD. Copy? Kuha? Nakuha ko yung 56.56. 4.4, that means 2 weeks ago. Copy. Hindi ba risky yan, coach? Lahat ng ginagawa natin sa buhay risky. But this is nonetheless, it's a funny questions. Hindi ba risky? Sasabihin ko risky. Kung ayaw mong risky, wag kang mag-forex. Paano pag brand out, mamatay router mo? Okay. Kaya you make it sure na okay lahat. Okay? Kasama yan. So, eto, nag-TP ako. Copy? Scary. Kaya nga, Forex is not for everyone. This is not for the faint in heart. Kaya nga, you need practice, practice, practice for 1 month. Everything na first time is scary. Pero kung alam mo na, it's fun anymore. Hindi na siya scary. Copy. Kailangan ba talaga nakamonitor ka? Siyempre, alam mo, pag nag-trade ako, minsan, kasi pag mag-negative yan, madaling movement lang yan. Nagtitrade ka eh. This is manual trade. All manual trade kailangan monitor. But at least kung titingnan mo, if you're going to time my trade, that's already 1 minute technically. And then I already earned money. Copy? Do you want another actual trade? Another actual demonstration? Actual demonstration. Here is the actual demonstration again. Parang same lang to kanina. Same lang yung na-copy ko. Diba? Parang same lang. Sige, okay lang. Okay lang din. Parang same lang yung na-copy ko. Anyway, so ito, again, I'm looking for the breakaway of this line. Actually, nag-initial breakaway na siya, pero hindi ko nikuha. Kasi that's a first stop. Okay, another first stop, second top. Nag-breakaway, pang, yun yung confirmation ko. Pang, nag-trade ako. Pang, mali yung nakuha kong ano. Anyway, basta yun na, ito na yung meaning. Okay, nag-trade ako. Bang, positive 6, positive. I'm waiting like 3 to 5 pips na medyo comfortable ako. Dito, pwede ka na mag-close. Bang, I close with 56. Bang. Copy. So, the rule is TP on 5 to 6 pips. Question. Guys, can anyone put some notes here? Rule number 1, rule number 2. What is PST reckoning point? Grabe, mga technical yung term nyo, ha? Okay. Of the last candle. Wow. I'm trying to explain simple terms as I can so that the mga newbie makaintindi. Okay. Question, guys. Question. I'm done. We're done. It is likely kung saan and direction mag-double top signs. Is it likely kung saan yung direction mag-double top aligns with the moving average trend? Pwede, lalo na kung doon sa, basta yun, that's part of the strategy. Okay, pag ang bias mo is sell, so mas mataas yung winning mo kung pang-sell ka. Pero minsan kasi 5 minutes, minsan nagre-range lang siya. The another video dapat is ranging yun, ang bias. So if ranging ang market, ibig sabihin, gumaganyan lang. So you can go buy, you can go sell, depende kung saan siya mag-break away. Okay, so eventually hanapin ko pa yung video tapos ilalagay ko. So Coach Abdallah, 15 minutes lang mag-trade. Yes, that's true. Hanggang anong oras pwedeng gamitin yung strategy? Sa bakit 9:30? Kasi yun tinatawag ng market open. We need volatility. Okay, na-explain to guys. Remember, prerequisite. Go back to prerequisite. Okay, go back to prerequisite and you will answer. Only 9 p.m. ba dapat go back to prerequisite? Rule. Pero sige na lang, i-explain ko. Bakit 9 p.m.? Yun yung market opening, New York session. Because this is scalping, we need the market to move fast para makapag-trade. Sa scalping kasi, the more volatile, that's our friend. Volatility is our friend. Sa scalping. Gusto natin mabilis yung movement. Okay. So 9:30, that's part. If you want to experiment, it's up to you, but I don't get back to me kasi nasunog ka and then nag-violate ka sa rule. Okay. What is rule number 5? 3 to 5 pips. Sleepy when happy. Huwag mo nang paabutin sa yung scalping mo, maging day trader na. Close ka kagad. Pag mali, close. Pag positive, close. Okay? Pag mali, close. Pag positive, close. But, guys, example, naipit ka. Sa Bisaya pa, medyo naipit ba? Naipit ba tani, oy? Medyo naipit ba? Medyo nagkamali. It helps na alam mo kung ano yung technical analysis. It helps na alam mo kung ano yung candlestick. It helps alam mo kung ano yung market structures or trend. And it helps na alam mo yung support resistance. Kasi, even if magkamali ka, mababasa mo yung chart, hindi ka mapulbaan ba? Hindi ka matatakot. Kasi alam mo, babalik lang yun ito. Maraming cases ako naipit guys actually. But for me, the rule is pag mali, close. Pag importante din kasi, guys, maximize our chart mastery. Wala sa ibang grupo ito. Exclusive lang ito sa ating community. Okay? So, kung wala kang chart mastery as your sponsor, most of your sponsor are my inner circle na mga coaches na rin. Magagaling na mag-trade. Ask them, or mag-backread ka doon sa mga VIP na GC nandun. Okay. Coach, pag mag-chase ng trade, pinipindot lang yung talong. No chasing. That's the strategy. Other than that, you break the rule. Okay. How fast you determine the pips? Depende sa movement. Normally, it takes 5 seconds to 10 seconds. Sometimes 3 seconds. Depende sa movement. Minsan kasi ganito yung market. Bang, 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 bang. Tapos bilang, bang, bang. Ganyan. So, kaya timing. Don't worry, guys. You have 1 month to master this one. How fast you will be determine the pips? I think I'll answer this one. Break away new print candle. Yes, of the new candle. Remember, your support and resistance is the previous candle. Sir, anong time frame? Okay, I already discussed this one. Rule number 5, it's done. Run out lang gulbahan. Kaya dapat yung cellphone mo, mayroon kang data. But wala pa namang, siguro may mga place na mayroon kang data. Ang tawag dyan is common sense. Huwag mo nang sabihin na kailangan ko pang mag-training sa'yo kung anong gagawin mo kapag burn out. Ang risky yan, coach, pag nahuli tayo. Yes, kaya kailangan timing. Everything in Forex world is risky. Everything in this world is risky. No risk, no reward. No volatility, you are a liquidity. No volatility, kaya nga 9:30 part yan. Kasi pag hindi 9:30, no volatility. Ibig sabihin yung volatility, guys, is galaw ng market. Volatility means, volatile means mabilis yung galaw. Okay? Yun lang yun. Check the trend. Thank you, Wilson. Great support and resistance for the previous candle. No wick, no trade. First top and breakaway. Second top and breakaway. That's good. Perfect. May nangyari na po ba na second candle ay hindi lumagpas sa support and resistance? Guys, kailangan siya lumagpas bago ka mag-trade. Yes, pwede. Hindi lumagpas. Pag hindi siya lumagpas, hintay ka, pag alanganin ka talaga, hintay ka sa next candle kasi every 5 minutes yan. Huwag kang magmamadali. Patience. Hintay ka sa next candle at saka yung support and resistance mo doon na sa bagong candle. Copy? Copy? Copy. Pag hindi siya nag-break away, no trade. It must be pasok sa rules natin. Ano yung ibig sabihin na pag hindi mag-break away? I-explain ko, maganda yung maganda yung point. Okay. Example this one. Okay. Halimbawa, wala mo na ito. Wala mo na dito ka. Ito yung support resistance mo. Ito yung next candle mo, hindi nag-break away. Wala kang trend. Pero next one here, dito na yung bagong support and resistance mo. Ito kasi yung wait, gumagalaw. Hanap tayo ng another, na hindi gumagalaw. Okay, here. Huwag kang gumalaw. Huwag kang gumalaw. Okay, here. Example, gumagalaw pa rin, wait. Huwag kang gumalaw. Okay. Ito yung question na. Ito yung previous candle mo. Wala pa itong tatlo. Remove this one. Ito yung candle mo ngayon. So, ito yung support resistance mo. Ito yung candle. Hindi siya nag-break dito. Hindi rin siya nag-break dito. So, no trade siya. Kasi walang second top breakaway. So, after that, hihintay ka. Kasi 5 minutes lang naman ito, di ba? Maghintay ka. Maghintay ka lamang. Paghintay mo gan, so, with a new candle, ito na yung bagong support resistance mo. Copy? Tapos, hihintay mo na siya ito, di ba? Ito, nag-weak siya. Pag ganyan niya, bang, bang. Pag break ka dito, trade ka, bang. Ilang pips to, bang. Kunin mo to dito, kikita ka. Dito naman, create ka ng another support resistance. Support resistance. May weak, pasok. Nag-break away sa line, bang. Trade ka dito, dito, kikita ka. Itong movement na ito, kikita ka. Copy? Copy? That's a very good question. That's a very good question. Okay. Anong oras sa Pinas na malakas? Ay, tapos na itong question na ito. Coach, bakit pag may news walang trade? Kasi hindi mo alam, malakas yung volatility. But this one is applicable kahit may news. But make sure you know what to do. The market is extreme and unpredictable. Another good question dyan is, si technical analysis, magiging walang epekto kapag ka may news. Ulitin ko. Si technical analysis, wala siyang effect kapag ka may news. Lahat ng magandang analyze mo sa market, wala yan. Discredit lahat yan kapag ka may news. Kasi kapag ka may news, high impact news, ang titingnan natin dyan is hindi technical. Ang titingnan natin dyan is fundamental. Fundamental analysis. Okay? Kaya since hindi lahat marunong magbasa ng fundamental analysis, so we advise sa mga baguhan, huwag ka na lang mag-trade. Kasi, take note guys, is the news, the technical analysis will only interpret the market movement, but the news will create the movement of the market. Ulitin ko. The technical analysis will only interpret the movement of the market. But the news, especially high impact news, will create the movement of the market. Copy. Mas maganda mag-trade, mabilis yung movement. Kung scalping, di lang alam, medyo magkamali yun. Coach, anong EMA gamit mo? I already explained this one. EMA 10. Because scalping tayo. Okay. Coach, anong oras sa Pinas malakas maraming trader? I already answered this one. Ang purpose dito guys, isasabay ka ka-Abdala. Para mayroon kang guide. Sasabay ka kang Abdala. Sasabay ka pa rin kang Abdala kasi mayroon kang guide. Alam mo yung bigger picture at hindi ka nag-iisa. That's the purpose for this one. At saka inaaral mo pa. It's really new to me, but trying to catch up. Don't worry, brother. Lahat dito nagsimula ng new. Okay. Okay. Maraming nag-question. Emma 10 yun, Emma 10. Emma 10. Exponential moving average 10. 9:30 p.m. Guys, nag-question kayo, 9:30 ba? Guys, like I said, this is prerequisite part of the formula. Now, if you're going to do this one outside the formula, it's up to you. Trade at your own risk. And ito lang masasabi ko, good luck. Kasi to develop with this kind of strategy, guys, hindi ito ma-develop for 1 month lang. It takes months or even years to develop. Actually, years ito din-develop ni Abdala. May modify lang natin Pinoy version para madaling maintindihan, para mabilis yung timing. Copy. Okay? I think most of the questions are Emma. I already answered that one. I can't answer all of the question, guys. Ang dami. Okay. At saka yung iba, hindi ko na i-answer pabalik-balik. Same din. The cut loss for 3 to 5 pips stop loss ka na. But like I said, any strategy na ibibigay sa... Guys, by the way, here's one thing. Bakit ibibigay namin ng strategy sa inyo? Thank me later. Kasi, to develop a strategy like this, kailangan mo itong i-trial and error for how many months? And not only takes time, it will take a lot of capital na sometimes maliliquid yung capital mo or ma-risk yung capital mo or ma-sacrifice yung capital mo just to develop a strategy. If I were you, kopyahin mo na lang kasi ito tested and proven lang naman. Okay? Mas madali lang mangopya. Pwede ka rin mag-develop of your own, but like I said, you have time and you have money, go for it. Kahit downtrend, I don't understand. I already explained this one. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng trend? Guys, ang sasagutin ko lang yung question, how you measure pips, hindi na natin i-measure, parang estimate na lang talaga kasi pag i-measure, calculate pa natin is matatagalan. Ibig sabihin yung 5 pips to profits, ibig sabihin konting profit lang, konting movement lang, exit ka na. That's the meaning. But technically, hindi na natin kinocompute yan kasi matatagalan ka, you need to close your trade. Pero may technical answer naman talaga dyan pag paano pag-compute. Not on this training, by the way. Medyo mataas kasi yung explanation dyan. Paano i-explain? Coach, anong Emma? Okay, I already answered this one. Bagsak lahat support resistance pag may news. Only support resistance and the 10. Gold is a gold coach. I'm not saying it's no, but the strategy is designed for this one. Bakit? Dahil ginigulo ng Pinoy, no? Ignog is 30 mo gold yun. Kaya, alam mo guys, kaya maraming nasusunod guys, matitigas yung ulo. Tinuturoan ng tama. Gagawa ng sarili. Okay man yan kasi I know that's part of creativity. Pero guys, I tell you, that would cost your capital pag hindi mo pa na-master. But this is a good question. Coach, second example, hindi mo na-break yung candle, tama ba yung kahit trend buy kayo? Pag hindi ma-break yung candle, no trend. No trade. No, wala na breakaway, no trade. Wait for the next candle. Good. Pwede sa gold, the answer is no. Pwede mo i-explore, pero good luck. Pila capital, you start with 100 USD. What is EMA 10? I already explained this one. Mas maganda gamitin Android phone. Siyempre, kung anong nandyan ka, yun na yung gamitin mo. Bibili ka pa ng The question never answered is how to measure pips. Technically, to answer that question, it takes time. Kasi magko-compute pa tayo. We will have another 1 hour to answer that question. But the point is 3 to 5 pips. Ang ibig sabihin dyan, that's simply saying that konting galaw yung kukunin mo. Enough na yon para mag-TP ka. Kasi scalping. That's the point. Start with done. Okay. All right. I think, guys, we're done for tonight. Thank you so much. ICT matutunan. Yes, matutunan. But, guys, please, bago kayo pumasok sa mga higher strategy, punta ka sa ICT, SMC, kasi nag-aral din ako ng ICT, guys. Mag-aral ka muna ng technical analysis. Hindi mo rin maintindihan lahat yan kung hindi mo ma-master yung technical analysis. Actually, you don't need to kung gusto mo talaga mag-aral ka lahat. But the way to be consistent, profitable in trading is master your strategy. Kahit hindi mo alam ICT, kahit hindi mo lang SMC, alam mo lang technical analysis and mayroon kang strategy na consistent para sa like this kind of strategy and you master this one. Remember, guys, you need to commit this one for 1 month. Okay? So talking about lot size, marakang pera, pwede mong isunog, walang problema, malaki yung lot size mo. Let your experience and your expertise define kung ano yung lot size mo. Ibig sabihin, kung hindi ka pa sure, lower lot size is better. Okay? Kung sure ka na, pera mo yan. Wala. Pwede mo gawin anong gusto mo. Okay. 1/4 sheet of paper. Guys, that's all for tonight. I thank you so much for your joining. I'm sorry I cannot give you the record for this one because this is a very specific training. Nonetheless, I hope nakikita tayo lahat. This is an extra mile for me. I really want you to be profitable in training, guys. By the way, if you want to be part of my inner circle, next Saturday, but it's exclusive webinar, I will be talking about affiliate masterclass. Kung gusto mo ng additional capital sa pang-trade mo, maybe you might consider like affiliate and IB. Ituturo ko kung paano siya gawin, paano kakikita. Remember, guys, that Forex is business. Bakit ko ito yung ginagawa? That I can trade on my own. I have earnings from affiliate and IB as well. Okay. So, hindi ko yan tinatago. Okay. Mayroon akong earnings dyan. Bakit ko ginagawa? Gusto ko yung malaking capital ko. I want to have a 6-digit to 7-digit portfolio in my trading. Please understand that our 100 USD first capital cannot make us a 6-digit income per week. And that's a reality. Okay. So if you want to know more, explore more about affiliate marketing and IB, introducing broker, that's another way of earning. In the business world, guys, there are other ways to earn. In the Forex trading world, guys, maraming ways to earn. Pinaka-isa na yun yung trading. So ituturo ko sa iyo, number 2, another ways to earn in Forex trading like affiliates and IB. So that's with my affiliate masterclass, but you also need to member or the VIP community for you to be joined with that community. And then yung VIP community ko, guys, yun yung magiging inner circle ko. Sa lahat ng mag-part dun sa program na yan, tinututukan ko maging marunong talaga. We have a separate training for them para sila din yung makapag-coach sa iba. Of course, para makaturo din sila. Just like sa mga coaches na nandito, and I salute them, but not because of them. Walang community na ganito. So shout out to my inner circle and to our Icon Project community na nandito lahat. I salute you guys. Thank you for believing in me. So if you'll be having an affiliate masterclass next week, that means mas marami pa tayo, mas maraming kikita at maraming makatulong. So that would be all, guys. Thank you so much. Guys, please, this strategy atin-atin lang muna. Atin-atin lang muna. If you like this strategy and if you're contented and you're happy with the webinar tonight, can you show me some heart reactions? And then, can you do me a favor, guys? Pwede mo akong shout out sa Facebook or doon sa mga GCs, especially doon sa GCs, hindi sa VIP. Doon sa outside na di ba before kayo napasok sa GC na VIP, may may mga observatory GC. You can shout out there. You can express your gratitude. That's just a favor lang naman, a very very small favor. While I'm giving this one to you, I'm feeding this one to you. So that's a favor that I'm give to you. If you can vouch me there, you can vouch sa community na grabe sa community talaga tinuturo. Yan. I really appreciate that one. But with that, nonetheless, more of all, I want you to be profitable in trading. But more importantly, mag-aral sa risk management bago o baka sobrang lakas ng loob mo, kailangan mo din ng proper risk management. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you and keep winning.